All right, folks, here is a nice little John Deere 2550 loader tractor. It's got a John Deere 146 loader on it. Brand new front tires, looks like to me, are very close to brand new, and I'm going to put the rear's tread depth is about 80%. I really don't see any dry checking. They look fairly new as well. Pretty good old tires. One set of remotes, 540 PTO. Generally on the John Deere, you can switch them to 1,000. This one I'm not sure about. I'm going to let you guys judge. I don't know if you can switch these or not. Bucket's a little bit weak. It does have a little bit of rust in the bucket, and the floor has been replaced at some point. Looks like it'll hold up for some work though. Just maybe might have to do something in the future. That's about it as far as I know on this tractor. Let's see here. It is showing, you can see the hours from where I'm standing. It's showing only 587 hours, I think, or 82 hours, something like that. So those hours are probably not actual. We are going to sell it as hours unknown. If you guys have any questions on this tractor, just give us a call.